Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect crispy potatoes. I know it sounds boring, but we all love French fries. This recipe is not deep fried, okay? So it's a little healthier, and trust me, it's just as good. Like, it's really crispy. I have a perfect trick for you. So I'm starting off with, I love Yukon potatoes because they are gold and they're kind of sweet. They're not like the baking potatoes that are white and starchy. They have a little bit more flavor, okay? So what I did was peel them, dice them or chop them, probably about 1/2 inch pieces, and then parboil them, okay? Halfway cooked. And you wanna use generous amount of salt or about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And what that does with the high heat is breaks down the outer layers of the potato and the starch releases and it gets nice and mushy, and I'll show you what I mean. So my potatoes are actually done. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna drain them. Okay, drained potatoes right here, putting them in my bowl. Straightforward, right? So, olive oil, a generous amount of olive oil, okay? And because I used a touch of baking soda and salt, it started to break down the outer layer of this potato. It's not quite cooked all the way. And then you give it a good stir, like an aggressive stir, okay? Like, yeah. Okay, so you give it a really good aggressive stir, and what you wanna see is the starch, okay? So it's nice and starchy, and all you do is baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spread it one even layer. Like, how easy is this so far, okay? Just like that. You wanna really spread it. I find the corner pieces get the most caramelization and the beautiful color and the crispiness. So good. Generous pinch of salt, and I'm gonna do a little more olive oil, and then that goes in the oven, very hot oven, at 430 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 20 minutes. Just check on it. Okay, ready for the potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't they look deep fried? But they're baked. Oh, so good. So do you see these caramelized bits? That's actually from that really aggressive stirring that I did. All that starch falls apart and it just crisps up. I'm gonna do a little more salt. Oh yeah, so good. And let's plate. Do you guys hear this? It's like hard from the crispiness. Look at that. It's so good. I'm gonna finish it with a little chives. Look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, a little black pepper. Oh, look at this. It's perfect. And they're not deep fried, which makes me feel a little bit better when I eat them. Oh, they're so crispy. Do you hear that? It was like all crunch. So easy, guys. Crispy potatoes. Check out the recipe. Not deep fried, roasted, but you can actually use a cast iron as well on the barbecue or something and just get like nice and smoky. So good. So easy, so crunchy. See you guys later.